Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is part, certified that this trust upholds the Constitution of India and endeavors to maintain value in the high judicial order in India. Further certified that this trust crushes mischievous forces, destroying the said value in high judicial order in India. Shri Bhagavan Vacha Bandhuhu Atma Atmanaha Tasya Yena Atma Yeva Atmana Jitaha Anatmanah tu Shatrutve Varteta Atma Shatruvat. Thus it is sarcastically narrated in Bhagavad Gita that we should not be the prisoners of fate. If we nourish hatred in our mind, then that hatred will destroy our own self in the first instance. Thus we should endeavor to uphold the value of high judicial order and the Constitution of India. Thus signed by the sole mandate holder, Pachari Yoga International Trust, dated 26th day of January 2020. Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is part. This is to certify that OS 30 of 2014 on file with additional district municip Tirumangalam is mollified, illegal, concocted, corrupted and corroded in judicial value, and that Pachari manages to file petition in person to set aside the ex parte permanent injunction in IA number 301 of 2019. This is to certify that this trust places highest esteem in judiciary, and in view thereof praise the Honorable ADM Court at Tirumangalam to forward all documents in OS 30 of 2014 to the Registrar of Vigilance at Chennai, Honorable High Court, before whom the said matter is pending. Pachari approaches Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Bar Council of India to invoke penal provisions on erring advocates Mr. S. Murugadas of Madurai, Mr. G. Adaikalam and senior advocate S. Namachivayam of Tirumangalam for bribing and judicial trespass in the Honorable ADM Court in OS 30 of 2014. Pachari praised the Honorable ADM to place the accused Kapalur Sitco, Amman Palimer S. Anandan, and officials of KIA for crimes in crime number 135 of 2015, crime number 82 of 2017, and for jumping anticipatory bail of the Honorable Madurai Bench, High Court. Thus signed, Pachari Yoga International Trust approved senior fellow valuer at the Institution of Valuers, New Delhi, thus dated 25th day of January 2020.